Welcome to Robin's house. Today I'm working on the Thankful Garden stamp set and thin cuts, and these also they have a matching mask in order to create these fun flowery cards. So I'm going to have a separate video walking you through step by step, but you color these images using these 5 layers of masks, and it's such a fun and easy way to change it up. So I did the purple version, I did a yellow version, and I did a pink version. I also technically did a blue version, but I'm probably going to use those on the scrapbooking layouts. But it's a fun way. I use 3 colors to layer those all up, and then 2 colors of greens, of course. And then there's also the stamp set. So the stamp set outlined it real nice, but it also kind of looks nice without using the stamp set. It's a little softer and feels a little bit more watercolorier. And so this workshop, you create 2 each of 6 card designs, and each color, well, you could do them all pink if you wanted to, but some of the backgrounds might look a little funny, but that would be okay. You can choose any of those 4 colors that I have handy, or choose a different color if you have more colors of your own, and create yours. And you can decide if you want to outline them or not outline them. So you can make 2 of each card, and there are 6 card designs. So very fun, and using the Thankful Garden and the mask. So stay tuned for my step-by-step how to do these masks coming soon. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.